Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how you can earn USDT in Binance. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily earn USDT in Binance. So the first thing to do is to open your Binance app and log in into your account using your account credentials. So on the home page, tap earn, then select the simple earn option. So in the search bar, type USDT, then choose flexible. You can also withdraw anytime. So enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit, tap confirm to subscribe, and your USDT will start earning daily reward automatically. And to take it back, you go back to the earn, then click redeem and withdraw to your spot wallet, and that's it. So your USDT earns passive income while you hold it. And that's how you can easily earn USDT in Binance. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.